So I'm on this job today. I'm going to be using the TORO timecutter ZS 4200. So it's mulching deck, zero tone skid steer with Kawasaki V twin engine petrol. It's a friend of ours, and he said he can try it out, see what I think. So we're on these lawns, doing a dry lawn, so you shouldn't skid around or slip because it's only 2-wheel drive. And we're going to see what it's going to do. I'm just set up the GoPro quickly, and you'll see how it performs. So we're about to start this quite inclined bit. This, I mean, doesn't show up on camera, but it's decent incline on it. It was a bank for the pool when it was made. So when they dug up the pool, they made this retaining slope, and so you can probably see how the bit in the middle was the worst bit, and you will soon see.
Feels like I'm split down the middle. How can I tell which way to go? Oh no. Feels like I'm split down the middle. How can I tell which way to go? Feels like I'm split down the middle. How can I
So I'm really happy how it came out. I've got put it on a 34mm cut, or maybe a 54mm cut, I can't remember. It's come out nice, got some lines, and did the bank, and I was able to do enough so I don't have to trim too much, because that's what's good about those is that you can limit your trim time. As you can see, it's quite a low cut here, so it won't grow back too quickly, as it's getting quite hot now. And now it's came back alright. I mean, it's quite rough terrain, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty bumpy in some places, because it was an old vegetable patch here, and then down there was when they had it dug up and they put a septic tank in it here, and then there's the runaway, so it's all you can see it's quite up and down, quite bumpy, and then plus you got the challenge of the slope there, which it handled perfectly, which I was quite surprised for a skid steer, but I guess it helps you when reversing. It helps you actually, it's like an engine brake pretty much, and it's really low to the ground, all the weight's at the back. Can't fault it really. It's done a nice cut. I mean, it's not the best lines because it hasn't got a roller on it, but it's it does all right. And then, just like I said, it's a time saver really. So they've got these two. They want to come out. They said I can open it, so don't worry. Come on. So it's came up nicely. Nice day. 26 degrees. Oh, gate's closed. Yeah, I cut all their food, but no, it's right. I got these oak railway sleepers here, so that's gonna be for a gate for the next place. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we shall see you in the next job. Goodbye.